Hey everybody, I wanted to show you really quickly the mini album that I did while I was on my retreat over the last couple weeks. And this is the Simple Stories line, the lemon squeezy, I think. Anyways, I used mostly the 6x8 pad and some of the accompanying solids and the ephemera packs. So I hope you like it. And then this is my design. I can try and come up with a tutorial about it, but no guarantees or promises with everything going on right now. It's really, really simple. It's pretty much a 6x8 album because, like, again, I used all that 6x8 paper and ephemera pieces and everything to do this. Each of the pages has different parts to it. So these all have... This is the triple pocket here, and then each one also has a pull out on the side. Okay, so that's the first page, and then this is actually the second page, like that, and like that. So this is a triple fold out. Okay, and this one is a pocket this way, and then a pocket this way as well. And then here's that piece for that one. And then on the flip side, it's a belly band with a piece there. I love this page. This is probably one of my favorites. This is the opening that way. And there's a little magnet in that. And then that photo mat there. And then this one has the flip up there. This one is a shutter opening. Oop, that way. Oops. Get in there. I like this one too. It's one of my favorites. And then that card there. Flip to that. Some of the tags and pieces there. This collection was one of my absolute favorite collections. There's a pocket here as well. I just didn't put anything in that. And here's the piece for that. I really, really loved this collection. I did use some of the 12x12 in this. So, and then this is just my waterfall. I was going to add more pattern paper to the back sides of these, but then I thought once I got my photos on there, this was going to bulk up a little bit too much. So I didn't. I just left it like that. And then that's it. It's just really simple, really plain, but it's really cute and it works really, really well. So I was really happy, really, really, really happy with how it turned out. So again, if you like this, like and subscribe, and I will, like I said, I'll try and get a tutorial out, but no promises. Thanks for watching.